Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log into FNB Bank application. For that, firstly, make sure you have the application on your device. If not, you can go to your app store and download it. Here you can see I already have the application, so let's hop in the app. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. There you can see the option login, explore or browse the product shop. Now we need to simply tap on the option login. Now here three options will be provided. I have login details, I don't have login details, or I want to be an FNB customer. Now all you need to do is tap on I have login details. Now here you need to enter your username. Now in case if you have forgotten your username, there you can see the option forgot username. You can simply tap on that. If not, then you can tap on continue. After that, you will be led to another page where you need to enter your password. Simply enter your password, and in case if you have forgotten your password, there also you can see the option forgot password. You can tap on that and they will be guiding you further to recover it. If not, then you can simply tap on continue and you will be successfully logged into your FNB Bank application. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.